Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to add instant replay to your stream in real time using OBS. This can be fully utilized in any game and can be fully customized to your liking. As an example, I'll be showing you mine from my stream the other day.
I have 2 more launch pads, but I think we should just...
Tell me you saw that.
You hit him?
258 on top of this.
No.
I wish I had HP on that.
Should we launch up there? Wow.
If you want. There's only 2 of them, they look like
No, there's a guy right here, bro. There's a guy right here.
Alright.
I have 2 more launch pads, but I think we should...
What is he, in the top? Tell me you saw that.
He's in the thing. I think he's in the... behind the wooden wall.
Yeah, you ready for this, bro?
Heavy snipe that shit, yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, he's in there.
Oh, he's getting...
That was so rude, bro.
As you can see, many scenes and transitions just took place and none of it interfered with my gameplay. It only made my viewers' experience that much better. So let's dive into this tutorial to see how to make your stream that much better. Okay, so you're first going to want to go to settings, then go to output. If you use advanced settings like I do, replay buffer is the 4th tab. Enable replay buffer and then choose how long you want your replay to be for. I chose 30 seconds because I feel like that's a good time for me, but it uses more memory. If you use simple, go to simple and scroll down. Enable replay buffer is right above replay buffer and then choose your time there. The same things applies. So go to recording path and choose a folder that you will always remember where it is. And then after that, go to advanced, scroll down to recording and check overwrite if file exists. Name the top recording and the bottom replay. When your replay saves, it'll go into your folder and specify what is a full recording and what is a replay. Finally, add a hotkey for replay buffer on save replay, and a hotkey that you'll be able to hit while you're playing. That will save your replay when you want it to, and the previous whatever time you pick will save. When you're done with that, go over to adding a source and click media source. You then go to the folder that you created. You will see that I have a recording and a replay recording file like I talked about previously. Click the replay recording. And just because you clicked overwrite every time a file exists, that file will get replaced every time you save it. So if you want a copy, you can make a copy. When you're done with that, you can see that my replay loaded up. And this is the previous 30 seconds after I hit the record the replay button. From here, you can add an overlay like I did. Customize it as much as you want, change the size, the color, whatever you want. And make sure you go down to the file where it says close file when inactive so that your replay will start over every single time you want to watch a replay. And don't forget to hit the start replay buffer button before every time you stream. So if you want your instant replay looking like mine and many pro streamers, you'll have to set up 3 to 4 duplicate scenes of your main screen that you play on. So my main one is Fortnite. So I duplicated that 3 to 4 times, which is right here. And that is for each scene. The first one's the main one. The second one is the instant replay scene that you just set up. The third one is a transition scene that you can make if you want. I just like to break the game from the replay so my viewers know what's coming. And the fourth one is just a duplicate of the main one without a transition. I have a scene transition on every single scene I have. So I have this one just so I can override it and you don't see that in the replay. If you go back to Fortnite, now you understand what I'm saying. This breaks up every scene I have and that's what I don't want on the replay screen. So after you duplicate all the screens, all you have to do is precisely put it where you want it because your webcam and everything else is in the same position. That way when you go and do your replay, everything looks like it doesn't move because it doesn't. It's just every scene's moving and nobody knows that. So it looks as fluid as possible. An example will be shown right now. As you can see, this is what I just built. Put another replay on so you can see it in real time. This is the parallel Connor 90 high ground retake. Come up, edit that ramp now over so it goes there. When you build the roof, you edit through the roof. You go up, edit the 2, and Finally, what makes my instant replay so fluid is that I am fortunate enough to own a stream deck. A stream deck is a deck of macro keys that can also have delay switches put into it. I owned a Razer keyboard that has macros down the side, and that's what I was using previously. But the stream deck just makes everything so much more fluid and less dependent on me putting inputs. So the same thing I had before was just one button to record the replay. This records the last 30 seconds of my stream and saves it. I then have this multitask button that puts my first replay transition scene, the one with the ram spinning, coming up, saying a replay is coming, going down, and dissolving. It dissolves perfectly at 3.5 seconds, and that's what this delay is. That's the best part about the Stream Deck, is that you don't have to do anything. It times it all perfectly. After 3.5 seconds, it goes into the instant replay scene that we've both created now. And as I said, 3.5 seconds perfectly dissolves into that replay, so you don't even know that I changed scenes. It just looks like an animation came up and came down. That runs for 27 seconds. My replay saved for 30 seconds, but I've just noticed that the delay at 27 seconds is kind of perfect and more fluid than 30. I don't know why that is. It's just trial and error, and it happened to work for me. Finally, after 27 seconds, it goes back into the Fortnite transition, and that is the one that doesn't have the custom green coming up. It just flows right into it. You don't see any changes between any of my scenes, and that is what makes these instant replays so fluid. I just want to thank everybody on Instagram, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube for every like, follow, comment, subscribe you guys have given me. It all means a lot, and I want you to know it's greatly appreciated. If this video helped you, if you want more tutorials, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to answer everybody. If this video did help you, leave me a like and subscribe so I can keep providing you with great content like this. You've seen my socials all over the place, so I post daily. If you want to get into contact with me, you can find me at those. And I have some interesting things coming out in the next couple of days, so definitely catch me there. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Oh!
What's up with the hill?
You know better. Tryna live more better.